Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching Mod Organizer 2 with administrator privileges and opening the profile you'll work in. Once done, make sure only the target mods are active so Sseedit won't be overwhelmed by unrelated plugins. This reduces accidental edits. You also export or note the current plugin list and master dependencies because Sseedit will need that context. Now open Mo2 data tab and confirm the exact /esm file names, since you'll point Sseedit at those files in the next step. You add Sseedit as an external tool inside Mo2 and launch it from the Run menu so file paths and profiles match. This prevents mismatches. When the load dialog appears, choose only the plugins and their required masters you previously identified. Once you flood Sseedit with everything, finding real conflicts becomes tedious. Let Sseedit finish building its master list, then expand each plugin to inspect overridden records and conflict indicators. You'll identify which edits to preserve versus which to override before cleaning or creating a merged patch. You now perform the actual clean and merge steps, remove dirty metadata, unattached references, and conflicting edits in Sseedit, then save either clean plugins or a new merged patch. Make sure to watch for error messages and resolve them before closing Sseedit. Once saved, return to Mo2, run loot to tidy load order, and test in-game. If you get crashes, revert to the snapshot you made, verify missing masters or incorrect load order, and rerun Sseedit on only the problematic plugins to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.